The Port Perry Lawn Bowling Club begins another season of embracing community spirit. Nestled along the serene shores of Lake Scugog, the Port Perry Lawn Bowling Club stands as a beacon of community spirit and sporting enthusiasm in the charming town of Port Perry, Ontario. Established decades ago, this esteemed club has woven itself into the fabric of local life, offering not just a venue for lawn bowling, but a warm and welcoming space where friendships flourish and memories are made. What sets the Port Perry Lawn Bowling Club apart is its inclusive ethos, welcoming bowlers of all ages and skill levels with open arms. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or a complete novice, there's a place for you on the meticulously groomed greens of this beloved club. Here, under the guidance of experienced members, newcomers are gently introduced to the intricacies of the sport, honing their skills while forging bonds that extend far beyond the green. But the appeal of the Port Perry Lawn Bowling Club extends far beyond the sport itself. It's a place where neighbors become friends and strangers become part of the extended family. From spirited tournaments to laid-back social gatherings, there's always an event on the calendar that promises laughter, camaraderie, and a healthy dose of friendly competition. Central to the club's success is its unwavering support for local businesses. Recognizing the vital role that sponsors play in sustaining the club's operations, members actively champion these community-minded establishments, patronizing their services and products whenever possible. In doing so, they not only express their gratitude for the sponsors' generosity, but also strengthen the bonds that tie the club to the wider community. Innovative fundraising initiatives further demonstrate the club's commitment to its sustainability and growth. Through a strategic partnership with Amazon, anyone can now support the club with every online purchase made through the club's website. It's a seamless way for individuals to contribute to the club's continued success while going about their daily shopping routines. An embodiment of modern community engagement. As the Port Perry Lawn Bowling Club continues to thrive, its impact on the local community remains immeasurable. Beyond the green, it serves as a rallying point for residents, a testament to the enduring power of camaraderie and shared passion. With its welcoming embrace, vibrant activities, and unwavering support for local sponsors, the Port Perry Lawn Bowling Club stands as a shining example of the transformative power of community spirit, a testament to the belief that when individuals come together, remarkable things can be achieved.
If you enjoyed our video, please give us a like, subscribe for more videos, or even visit our website in the link below this video.